How to approve sign-in request in Microsoft Authenticator app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can approve sign-in request in Microsoft Authenticator app. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to the search bar, type in sign in Microsoft, and then you're gonna click on this account.microsoft.com. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to this interface. So you're gonna click on this sign in button in the center. And after that, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to type down your email over here, and then you're going to click on next. It's going to say get a code to sign in. We'll send a sign in request to your phone to sign in with this specific email. You're going to click on send notification, and then it's going to say check your Authenticator app. Select this number in the sign in request on your mobile device. So it is 54 for me, and it will change every single time. So now I'm going to head over to my mobile phone. Over here, you're going to open the Authenticator app, and then you're going to unlock it. Now it's going to say tap the correct number to sign in. So you can see that it was 54 over there. So I'm going to click on 54. Now it says approved at the top. And now you're going to go back to your PC. And here you can see it says stay signed in. You can either click on yes or no. And now you can see you have successfully signed into your Microsoft account. So that is basically how you can approve sign-in requests on Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.